Can I withdraw $100 in $1 bills?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. I appreciate it. So this is going to be crazy. I've packed enough cat food and treats to have the cats last for at least 3 days. So this is going to be crazy. I'm going to lure the cats into the box and see how long it takes. Winner gets $100, 100,000 cents. Let's do this.
Everybody's in the square, count the timer. Oh, geez.
Okay, we're gonna stop the timer. Oh my gosh, Billy's already out. Oh my gosh. Only 4 seconds in and he already failed. This is crazy. Who's gonna win? This is a battle of mental toughness and determination. Whew. We have lunch planned out at about 12 o'clock, so I'll go out and grab lunch for the cats. So they're not going to be hungry or thirsty or anything like that. But this is crazy. We're 30 seconds in. I'm expecting this to last for at least 1 day. If anything less than that... Oh my... Willow, you won! Willow! Oh my gosh, guys. What the heck? It only lasted 40 seconds. Oh my gosh. Willow, what do you have to say? You're the winner. Guys, to be completely honest, I was expecting this to last at least 20 minutes of footage. Oh gosh. I guess, Willow, you win. Here you go. What are you gonna do with the money? What did you do? You bought a cat tree with my debit card? Someone's at the door. What the heck? One sec, guys. I think I have a package. Willow, you son of a gun. You already bought it? How did you know you were gonna win? Freaking cats. Well, let's put it together. Okay guys, I finished it. I'm about to show Amber. Amber, you want to come see it?
Yeah.
She's coming. I made him do it.
Very cute. This is nice.
It is.
I like it. I
High
like
class,
it a lot.
super sturdy.
Yeah.
Super
Nice.
sturdy.
Oh,
Built
they're
by
gonna love this thing. They're gonna scratch that.
Scratch the shit out of it. Isn't that right, Willow? She's on the old tree that we bought this tree because she doesn't use it anymore.
Do you like it, Willow?
Does she?
He looks like she does. Look at Billy.
He's climbing.
You like it? Where's Athena?
I don't know.
Athena, what are you doing?
King of the castles.
I'm getting her. Come here.
What is she looking at?
You like it?
Oh, she's looking at her tail with the reflection in the sky.
Look at that.
Oh, Willow's coming. I mean, Athena.
Here you go. You like it? How you like it?
Athena, do you love it? Hate it?
Willow's like, yes.
She's like, I am the queen.
Look at Athena.
She likes it too. It is a success. We're gonna move it out here in the living room. And we're gonna put it in this corner back here. And I think that would look nice. So let's do it. Oh gosh. Help! Oh no! Yeah, I should have picked it up before I tried to pick up the table.
Why did you do that?
You're not allowed to use that bomb on my vlog. It's okay!
No.
It's okay! Don't do this in front of my fans! My mom wants to
go
see.
back in. It took me so long to do.
I'll do it for you.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will!
Why would you put it here? I said it's in the spare room.
Yeah, but we don't have the space in the spare room.
Yeah, we
right
do.
now.
Where do we have space? Right here? Get up.
That's a good point.
You're unbelievable.
Thousands in the vlog.
Oh,
I got it.
my head again. I'm knocking myself out.
A little bit higher.
Big high up.
Big high. Big high, big high. You gotta move a little bit. You got you.
Oh, it's good. Angle.
That's awesome.
Angle.
No, that's awesome.
Wait, can I just see it?
No, that looks silly.
Do you want to put this thing still back here?
What thing? My hue light? Yeah. That looks good. They love it.
You said your hue light?
What about that?
It's not yours.
What about that?
It's not yours.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. After all that sitting, I think I'm gonna have to go to the chiropractor. My back is screwed. Just kidding. Now I gotta throw all this trash away. Okay, build number 2. This is a litter box house.
Holder.
I'm not gonna do a time lapse on this one. I took off my shirt because I was sweating. This stuff stresses me out. What have you built today? B?
My homework assignment.
Nothing. For you.
I'm about to scrub this entire house since you decided to invite your family over here. Without.
Is that Billy up there?
Get my baby. He's loving it.
Okay guys, I just finished building it. Only sad thing is this doesn't fit inside of it. It's just big enough where it's screw you. So I'm gonna make some wraps. I think Amber's making what are you making? Pizza. So it should be a good dinner. So let's make it sexy. Welcome.
What?
I'm gonna finish this. Everybody's favorite thing to do, dishes. I hate my life. Okay, everybody, I finished most of my chores. I just have a few other things Amber wants me to do. Oh, it's been a tough one today. Lots of stuff, lots of stuff. We still have a couple errands we have to do outside. We have to go drop off some Amazon stuff at Kohl's, go to the vitamin shop to get more Celsius, because if I'm under 600 milligrams of caffeine per day, I am very suicidal. Only kidding. But yeah, we'll try to do that. I think tomorrow what I'm trying to do is I want my sister and my family to come over and we're gonna watch is it pronounced Raya and the Last Dragon? It's a new Disney movie. I don't know. It's like R-A-Y-A, I think. Raya? Yeah. Who knows? Looks pretty good. Those movies are usually fantastic. But just looking forward to tomorrow, I guess. I played a couple games of Fortnite. 2 wins today.
10 games of Fortnite.
10 games. 2 out of 10 wins. Not bad numbers. I'm pretty close to getting the Baby Yoda backpack, which I'm really striving to do. I'm at level 93 and I have to get to 100. So just about there. And we'll see if we do anything else today. Okay, ladies and gents, I just got the good news from Amber. I did well enough where I could play some games of Fortnite. This is life at its finest, everybody. Also, I forgot, I am expecting my camping backpack today. Oh, it was supposed to be here tomorrow, so I'm guessing. What? The camping backpack. The Hyperlight? So that should be here soon, hopefully. I just see a FedEx truck, so... Nope, UPS truck, so I'm hoping it's that. And I'll show you that, because we have 2 big trips planned coming up soon, so need a backpack to carry everything. Okay guys, the truck just left, no package. I am upset, that sucks. Oh, nope, just a truck. Update, my freaking package isn't here.
Boo.
It's been 2 days late. I want a full refund with the package as well.
We still need mine, so it's
Very
probably
true.
waiting. They're honestly probably waiting until mine's done.
No, because it shipped. It was in Seminole. Dumb people. But we're heading to donate some stuff back here. And then Kohl's to drop off Amazon, and then Vitamin Shop to get some liquid energy. Okay, we're here, get going.
Thanks.
Yeah, but I'm gonna have Amber do all of it, because I'm a good guy.
That's this one, right?
I'm joking.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm gonna try to take a long exposure shot and see if it works. Wow, I think that's actually one of the best photos I've ever taken. I think I would actually need a tripod, because that makes it so it takes a very long exposure, which again, I don't know the science behind it or the idea behind it, but basically it kind of catches more in motion, and if you shake it all, it throws it completely off. So I botched it. Oh, zoom, focus, there it is. Time for the moment of truth. Let's do this. Oh wow, that was fast.
The goods.
Got the package. So they had a new flavor. I think it was like last Saturday I got it. It was like strawberry guava. It was delicious, but I guess they don't have any more right now because it came out like the day I got it. So
let me know, is delicious the proper term for talking about drinks?
I don't know why it wouldn't be.
Because that's like food. You never say, wow, this drink is delicious.
I do that
Unless it's like
almost every day of my life.
That's because you're an odd one.
Thank you. Or do you mean a delicious one?
No.
Gonna head home. See you in a bit. We just got home, everybody. We got some Celsius. We did some damage. But I think we're gonna just kind of settle down for the night. Well, except the cats, they're gonna get wild.
You almost hit me in the eye.
That's what I was trying to do.
Thank you.
But I think today was a fun one. Started a little goofy, ended still pretty goofy. But I'm gonna make this a habit, everybody. Weekly videos. I'm trying to get ready with my camera because this is a new one. I'm trying to get used to it because we're gonna go out to Denver, Colorado in April something.
End of April.
And then after that, we're actually gonna go to
Hawaii! Maui, Hawaii.
mispronounce. It's Hawaii.
Hawaii, actually.
She's not a local. She doesn't know that life. Now that's disrespectful to even say to my man, The Rock. I love you. And we're gonna call that one. I'll see you guys in the next one.